with the pride of being an Indian. We, the students of PIS Nashik, celebrated the 73rd Republic Day. The program began with the hosting of tricolor flag by our chief guest, Mr. Sameer Wagle, Principal Dr. Manohar Mahajan, Vice Principal Ms.Tanusree Mitra, PGK Headmistress Ms. Roshni D'Souza.
I'm here to for unfolding our national flag.
Dr. Manohar Mahajan welcomed our chief guest. A ray of light is a ray of hope. A single spark is enough to expel the darkness. The auspicious program starts with the Deep Prajwalan. All dignitaries commence the program with the lighting of the lamp and garlanding the portraits of Gandhiji, B.R. Ambedkar and Subhash Chandra Bose. From the Himalayas to the Indian Oceans, from the deserts of Thar to the snowy mountains of Sikkim, India is a unique country with diversity. Miss Ovi Mahale presented a mesmerizing dance offering to Lord Ganesha. It is the love of country that has lighted and keeps flowing the holy fire of patriotism. Where words fail, music speaks. The school choir presented melodious patriotic song. Students of different grades showed their patriotism by delivering speeches in different languages.
The Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950, which declared India as an independent. नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है. हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान के सम्मान का है. मुक्त आमचे आकाश सारे, झुलती हिरवी राने बने, वरील उड़ती पक्षी नभी, आनंद आज पूरी नांदे.
Dance is one of the holiest art forms. It allows you to express your emotions and thoughts without having to speak. On this occasion, students of grade 9th and 10th set the stage on fire by their charismatic dance moves. Great leaders don't set out to be leaders, they set out to make a difference. It is not about the role, always about the goal. Student council members were honored by the sashes and badges by all the dignitaries. PIS believes in grooming and taking the teachers to higher level. On this note, different workshops were organized for teachers, virtual methodology for primary and secondary teachers, and fun learning training for primary teachers. All the dignitaries felicitated the teachers. PIS believes in taking everyone together and moving forward to achieve the goal. All the dignitaries felicitated the admin staff and housekeeping staff for their dedication and hard work. When a thoughtful mind looks at the flag of its nation, it doesn't look at the flag, but the nation in it. Our Vice Principal Ms.Tanusree Mitra motivated the students by stating the real meaning of Republic Day and being a responsible citizen. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. Our principal, Dr. Manohar Mahajan, addressed the gathering with his inspiring speech.
These are famous words, quote from Rabindranath Tagore. What he's trying to say from this quote, this poem, he's trying to say that India is a country, okay, the country of opportunities, country where we have a variety, a diversity in its nature, its culture, its tradition, language, where people are free to present themselves, where people are in center of its happening. Republic itself means the same. A country which is ruled by people, which is governed by people.
Don't be patriotic for one day. Be patriotic from day one. On this note, our chief guest, GM Mr. Sameer Wagle, shared his views.
But there is something very, very unique about our country, which is not so with the rest of the countries of the world. There's no other country which has so much of cultural, linguistic, and all kinds of diversities anywhere in the world. Yes or no?
As we express our gratitude, which is not only the greatest virtues but the parents of all others, Ms. Anchita Menon proposed the vote of thanks.
भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है कैसे हैं चाहे कैसे हैं अरे जो भी है जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है हमारे यहाँ कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी